We covered the basic billing constructs in the previous session, and in this we will cover usage calculation with a very simple example. Let's say the partner signed up for a commit contract at level 2, which is an annual spend of 420,000 with a 21% discount. It is this commit contract which is associated to the master org as well as all the tenant orgs under this master org, and a consolidated bill can be generated against this commit contract in Business Portal. However, billing for each organization is separate, and we will see various ways to view the bill in subsequent sessions. But here let's just go over the usage calculation. Let's say that the tenant org was created along with the service onboarding on 1st of February, just to keep it simple. The service bill date is 1st February then. And let's assume it's a dev test environment. So an SDDC is deployed in US West and the minimum is 4 hosts. So when the SDDC is deployed, an on-demand SID is created. So 4 hosts are on-demand or up and running for the whole month. Let's assume that they were not shut down and they are just up and running. So the on-demand usage is for the whole month for 28 days in February, and there is no reserved instance or term subscription. Additionally used elastic IP address. And let's assume there is no hybrid loyalty program applied. So from day 1 to day 8, there are 4 hosts running, and 0 is the commit quantity, which is there is no term subscription applied, and the overage consumption on demand for the host is the number of hosts is 4. So let's do the hourly host hour usage calculation. It's very simple here. The host quantity is 4, the commit quantity is 0, and the overage quantity, as we call it, is 4. So for a whole day, this is 96 host hour, billable hour. The host billable hour is 96 per day, and number of days in February 28, you get the total host usage quantity as 2688. Given there is no reserved instance, the usage quantity, billable quantity, remains 2688. This billable quantity, host usage quantity, commit quantity, and billable quantity appears in the raw usage file, which can be generated using API in the month of March. Now the discounted price for the host and the IP address will appear in Business Portal. So the instance total usage was 2688, and the cost per hour, that's the VMC pricing, is 8.36 per hour in US West. So the total cost comes to 22,498, and given that you receive a discount of 21%, it's 17,773.86 for the host hour. And for IP address, it's per hour is 0.01, and given that it ran for 4 instance 672 hours, which is 2,688, is 2688, and discounted you get a 2124. So let's look at the raw usage file, how it appears for this tenant. Against this on-demand SID, you have the host usage quantity, commit quantity, billable quantity. And against the same on-demand SID for this org, that is a tenant org, you have the IP address, where the commit quantity is not applicable but still appears here. The usage quantity we saw was 2688. Now in Business Portal, in the month of March, 5th of March, if you log in, against this commit contract, you will see for this tenant and on-demand SID, and the 2 line items, their quantity, the unit MSRP, and the total MSRP price and the discounted price. So for tenant 1, the total cost for the month of February is, with the discount applied, is 17,795 and 10. In subsequent examples, we will see with term commitments. Thank you.